the side a little bit. And we're going to focus on this Pulse 3. As you could see in my previous video, it didn't have the turn on sound or the turn off sound. When you turn it on, it doesn't make a noise where it's supposed to make a noise. When you turn it off, here, let's turn it off, it doesn't make a noise either. So on the working one, I can show this here. This one is right. You turn it on, it makes the turn on sound. And when you turn it off, it does the turn off sound, right? So this one is working, this one is not working. Even though it plays music, so if you pair it to your phone, it will play. I can show this to you too. Okay, let's do this. This is all my Bluetooth. I don't have a Pulse 3 in here. So I'm going to turn this on. And then we go into pairing. Here. And it shows up here, Pulse 3. Now I have it paired. I'm going to play. So we are playing. So the playing works. But the turn off sound doesn't do anything. What we're going to do now is we're going to try a reset. So let's turn it back on. It should connect, reconnect, and play. So it does play, right? Are we going to push the play button and the plus button both at the same time for 10 seconds? That ends everything, and it shut down. And you heard the shutdown sound now, right? So now when I turn it back on, see that? I get the boot up sound, I get the automatic pairing. Now, on my phone, the pairing will not work. So I have the previously paired Pulse 3 in here. This pairing will not work. I have to go in here and say forget this device, forget device, and then I have to repair it. It will show up down here again. It's in pairing mode. So my phone here should now be able to find it again. If your phone doesn't do it, you can turn the Bluetooth in your phone off. Turn the Bluetooth back on in your phone. Go to the bottom here and see what's happening. It found the neighbor's laptop. Yeah, and the Pulse 3. So now it's reconnecting. And then you can play your song again. Okay, and now when you turn it off, it makes the turn off sound again. So it's fixed. Plain, simple factory reset did the trick.